Rice pudding may seem like a simple dessert, but its story runs deep, back through Africa, across the Atlantic, and into the kitchens of enslaved Africans in the American South. Long before rice became a Southern staple, West Africans were expert rice farmers, cultivating and cooking rice in ways Europeans did not yet understand. That knowledge was forcibly carried into slavery and became foundational to rice cultivation in places like South Carolina, Georgia, and Louisiana. For enslaved Africans, rice was more than a crop, it was survival. Often issued as rations or grown in small garden plots, rice could be stretched, stored, and reused. Leftover rice from savory meals was rarely wasted. Combined with water, milk when available, or sweeteners like molasses or sorghum syrup, it became rice pudding, a nourishing, comforting dish that could feed children and elders alike. Rice pudding was adaptable. Could be lightly sweetened or spiced with cinnamon or nutmeg when those ingredients were accessible. In times of scarcity, it might be plain. In moments of celebration, it became a dessert. This flexibility made it a quiet staple in African American households, especially in the Lowcountry where rice culture shaped daily life. Like many soul food dishes, rice pudding reflects a core philosophy: use what you have, waste nothing, and care for your community. What began as a way to stretch leftovers became a dish associated with comfort, memory, and home, passed down through generations long after emancipation. Rice pudding also carried emotional significance. Warm, soft, and easily digestible, it was often fed to children, elders, and the sick. In this way, the dish became associated with care and healing. Rice pudding is not just a dessert. It is the legacy of African agricultural knowledge, endurance under bondage, and the transformation of necessity into nourishment. Today, rice pudding's simplicity masks its origins. It stands as a reminder that African American food traditions were shaped not just by creativity, but by deep agricultural knowledge carried across the Atlantic and sustained under oppression. Pushpin, come back tomorrow for the next dish in Soul Food Stories as we continue our 28-day journey through Black food history.